Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, in today's session, we are going to learn how has and have can be used to make positive sentences into negative sentences and questions. Okay? So let us start. Children, now we will discuss how has and have can be used to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence or make it into a question. So the first one is you have. This means that the thing that we are talking about belongs to you, or something related to that, or something just exactly like that belongs to you. Negative would be you don't have. This means the thing that we are talking about does not belong to you. And the question would be, do you have, or does this thing belong to you? Next one is I have. I don't have. Do I have? They have. They don't have. Do they have? We have. We don't have. Do we have? Children, over here, everywhere we can see that have is used only with the first person, second person, and third person plural. Have cannot be used with third person singular. Only has can be used with third person singular. So, she has. She doesn't have. Does she have? He has. He doesn't have. Does he have? It has. It doesn't have. Does it have? I hope you understood this, children. Now, children, we will learn about negative sentences. Any positive sentence is changed into a sentence with a negative meaning. This means that if we take any sentence with a positive meaning, and just by changing a word, we can convert the whole meaning. Okay? But that word should have a negative meaning. Words such as don't, hasn't, haven't, hadn't, aren't, mustn't are used instead of do, has, have, had, are, and must. These words change the meaning of the original sentence completely, because positive and negative are two different words. So just by changing these words, from these words, we can change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Okay, children? Now, children, we will see some examples in which we convert positive sentences into negative sentences. So, let us start. The first one is, I have two pink dresses, which means these two pink dresses, they belong to me. Now the negative sentence will be, I don't have two pink dresses, which means these two pink dresses, they do not belong to me. Okay, children? Now let us see the next example, children. Sammy has many teddy bears, which means many teddy bears belong to Sammy. This is the positive sentence. Now the negative sentence will be, Sammy does not have any teddy bear, which means no teddy bear belongs to Sammy. Okay? Here is the next example, children. She has a very big yellow house. This means this very big yellow house belongs to her. This is the positive sentence. Now the negative sentence will be, she doesn't have a very big yellow house. This means this very big yellow house does not belong to her. Okay, children? Now let us see this example, children. They have a horse, which means this horse that we are talking about belongs to them. This is the positive sentence. So the negative sentence will be, they don't have a horse, which means that the horse we are talking about does not belong to them. Okay, children? Children, now we will discuss about interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, any simple sentence is changed into a sentence which is in the form of a question. Okay? Words such as why, do, how, when, where, which are used. These words change the simple sentence into a question. Now children, let us see some examples on interrogative sentences. They have a very beautiful garden. This says that we know that they have a very beautiful garden. Now the question form will be, do they have a very beautiful garden? From this question form of sentence, we get to know that we do not know whether they have a very beautiful garden or not. Here is the next example, children. Resha has a daughter. This means that we know that Resha has a daughter. The question form will be, does Resha have a daughter? This shows that we do not know whether Resha has a daughter or not. Here is the next sentence, children. I have a big family. This says that I know that I have a big family. The interrogative sentence would be, do I have a big family? This means that I do not know whether I have a big family or not. Now children, these are some practice sentences. Let us see them. I love burgers. This is a positive sentence because this says that I love burgers. So the interrogative sentence would be, do I love burgers? So I'm asking myself whether I love burgers or not. And the negative sentence will be, I don't love burgers. So this says that I know that I don't love burgers. So here is the next positive sentence. Miley has a cycle. This means that I know that Miley has a cycle. The interrogative sentence will be, does Miley have a cycle? So I am asking whether Miley has a cycle or not. And the negative sentence will be, Miley doesn't have a cycle. This means that I know that Miley doesn't have a cycle. This is the next positive sentence, children. We are going for shopping. This means that me and a few more people are going for shopping. The interrogative sentence would be, are we going for shopping? So I am asking few other people whether we all are going for shopping or not. And the negative sentence will be, we aren't going for shopping, which means that we all are not going for shopping. Thank you for watching this session, children. I hope you understood how we convert positive sentences into negative sentences and interrogative sentences. In the next session, we are going to do something new. And if you didn't understand anything in this session, please go through this session again. Okay? Bye.